Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Chloe here, Morena La Cuachera. Morena girl. So, if you're new to my channel, I'm making travel and lifestyle videos. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please click the subscribe button and the bell button para ma-notify ka whenever I have a new video. So, for today's vlog, andito ko ngayon sa Tagaytay City, dito sa the Lake Hotel. So, I will tour you around. Mag-room tour din tayo dito. Ano bang meron dito? So, I'm just here for work again. So, for 2 days lang. So, mag-stay tayo dito for 1 night. Okay guys, if you want to see today's adventure and if you're interested to stay here in the Lake Hotel, just keep on watching. As you can see guys, pagpasok nyo pa lang dito is kita nyo na yung view. Ayan siya. Like, so guys, pagpasok nyo, dun yung area ng lobby. Yan, sa side na yan. So, andito na ako ngayon sa loob. And, pagpasok mo pa lang ng lobby is makikita mo na to signage na The Lake Hotel. Yan. And, yung view. So, akala ko kasi sobrang laki nito. Pero, maliit lang pala siya. Para siyang scala type. Pero, this one is open area din naman siya. As in, parang makikita nyo agad eh. Look at the view. O, diba? Ayan na siya agad. May flashlight, card. Maliit lang yung room niya, pero pwede siyang good for 4. Tapos dito ay ayan, telephone. Kanyang cabinet, closet. Ayan. May security ano rin dito. Ayan. Coffee. For free. Tapos, ito yung ref. Ay, parang patay. Pero may chocolate. Ayan. Binigyan kami ng chocolate. Pero for sure may bayad yan. It's not for free. 150. Ayan. So, apat naman yun na. Oo. Ito na siya. Welcome. Lagi ko itong tinitingnan. Hi guys! So, we're here na sa room. And maliit lang siya. Hindi katulad dun sa Hotel Kimberly. Kinumpay talaga eh, no? Actually, maliit lang siya. And kasi ito ay room na nasa ground floor. So, wala siyang view. May view ba, te? Oo. Pero, let's check the view. Wala pala. So, walang view dito sa room. So, yan. Pero may provision naman sila ng drinks. Hindi ko alam kung talaga may provision sila every time na ikaw ay mag-check-in dito. Or baka kasi, yung sa amin kasi ay corporate, corporate account. Yung corporate account talaga. Hindi kasi for training. So, yun. So, guys, ito yung downstairs.
Ay, maganda nga pala dito. Maganda nga pala dito
Tapos ito yung breakfast area. Ayan. Beside parking lot. Hi guys, so as you can see, grabe, pinipimples ako ngayon. Ayan siya. Ayan. Ano kaya yan mawawala? Yan guys, so that's all for tonight. That's all for today. So, good night everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Good morning! So, it's our day 2 here in Tagaytay. Foggy morning, everyone. Ay, malapit. So, magbe-breakfast na kami. Buffet breakfast tayo ngayon. Buffet breakfast. Wow, the food is so yum. Sausage. Tocino. Fish, pancit, sauté, garlic rice, steamed rice. So they also have the sticky chocolate rice or yung champurado dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan. And of course, ayan, may dessert. Ayun. Din silang cereal dito sa buffet. Bread toast. Pancake. Ensaymada. More breads and spreads. Ayan. So, they have this. Wow, tuna sisig and banana. Ayan, the salve. And salted egg. Hi! So, this one is the egg section. Morning, kuya. So, pwede kayo magpaluto ng itlog. And they have the salad area. Hi! Daming tao. Ayan guys. So, ito yung parang viewing site. Tapos ito, pool area na yan.